What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to prevent your team status from changing to away automatically. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, let's make sure to set your Microsoft Teams account status to available or any other status you wish to use. Here, click on your profile icon on the top right and change the status by clicking on the current available status. Click Reset Status if you're using a custom status or if it's not showing as available. If you want to preserve the available status message, then there are a few settings you should verify. But in some cases, your employer might still be able to see if you're online or not. First, search for Control Panel to open up your Windows Control Panel. On this window, view these by category and select Hardware and Sound. Next, head to Power Options and select Change Plan Settings for the plan you're using. Here, change the Put the computer to sleep option to whatever time interval you want to use to prevent your Microsoft Teams status from changing. I'll choose 3 hours. You also have the option to use a custom status message that never changes. To use a custom status message, head back to Teams and click on your profile icon on the top right. Select Set Status Message. Here, set your custom status message and set the Clear Status Message After option to Never. Click Done when you're done. This will allow you to use a status message on Teams that never changes. This tutorial and additional information will be updated in our extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.